An absolute do in business for me would be to surround yourself with the very, very best people that you can from the very beginning.
Spend as much time with customers as possible.
Make sure there's somebody who's going to pay you for what you're selling.
Do the best you can is what I would say to you.
My mother always said to me, it's nice to be nice. So
consistent, effective communication is really important.
The absolute do for business is listen to your gut feeling.
Listen to your customer, focus on your customer and start with the end in mind.
I dare to dream and I make my dreams come true.
Read everything and know your competitors and make yourself smarter every day.
It's always to hire the right people. Is always do what you say you're going to do for when you say you're going to do it.
To love what you do.
To seek advice from people. You can't know everything.
Clients are number one and always look after your staff.
The one thing not to do in business, from my point of view, would be to lose sight of your figures and in particular cash flow.
My absolute don't in business is arguing over email.
Don't neglect your personal development.
my absolute don't for business is, as an entrepreneur, try to do everything yourself.
Don't underestimate your team.
Don't overpromise.
Don't not put your clients number one.
Don't avoid following your instinct.
I don't do negativity or negative people.
Don't sell or push something that you're not proud of. Don't lie to your customers.
You should never compromise on your integrity or principles.
Don't take anything for granted.
Not ever to enter into a business that we can't make money on.
Don't ever underestimate your staff.
Don't talk too much and shut up when you need to shut up. That's it.